Are you looking for a show-stopping cookie decorating idea that doesn't take hours to execute? You're in the right place. Hi, it's Hani from Haniela's here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this cookie decorating tutorial, I'm going to show you super easy technique how to create daisy pattern on your cookies within literally minutes. And then you can leave them as B or you can elevate them to a new high with addition of piped mom across. These are perfect for Mother's Day. So let's get started. We're going to use round cookies for this project, but this design can be applied to any number of different shapes. If you don't have a round, you can use it on a square, heart, whatever shape you have, it's going to work. I'm starting with about 10 to 15 second consistency royal icing. Because we're going to use wet on wet decorating technique, it is important that the icing is in a fluid stage when we are adding different patterns on top of it. So use the consistency from 10 to 15 second consistency that works for you. Also be mindful of the ambient temperature, and also if you have a let's say fan running close by, it can accelerate drying and crusting of your royal icing. So I'm starting with the stems first using green icing. My green icing, ideally it should be about the same consistency as your base, or it can be slightly thinner. So if your base is, let's say, 13 second, your green can be 10 second consistency. It's just going to sink in much better if it's about the same consistency or slightly thinner. If it's too thick, it's not going to sink into the base layer. It's just going to kind of sit on the top. And now with white icing, I'm creating petals. Some of these petals you can fill, some of them you can leave blank. I love daisies so much, and they just create such a beautiful designs on cookies and cakes and any dessert. When piping these petals, make sure that the opening on your piping bag is small. You don't want to have a large opening on your piping bag because remember, icing is going to sink in and it's going to spread a little as it sinks into the base. So if your opening is too large, it's going to make the line bulky. Now we are missing a flower center. So for the flower center, use yellow or like a golden yellow. To make the golden yellow, you can add a little bit of orange to your lemon yellow icing to make it a bit more muted, so it's not so bright. And then if you see some of the icing is still kind of like sitting on the top, use your scribe tool, lightly agitate the icing, and it's going to make it sing. It's going to help with that. Allow icing to dry completely, which will take about 8 to 12 hours. And then if you'd like, you can accentuate these flowers with a super simple technique using edible marker. I'm using a fine tip edible marker here. And you can see how much this design changes once you add that black outline. But if you don't have time for that, by all means, you can skip this step. But it's only going to take a few moments to do this with edible marker. And you'll see how much different these cookies will look once we are done with the whole cookie. You can of course change the colors. If you prefer maybe a pink flower, you can do that. But I really feel daisies are the classic. Timeless charm of a daisy never disappoints. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified about my uploads. Here I've got a template. You can see it's a mirrored image of the word mom, And what I'm doing here, I am tracing it onto a piece of, this is parchment. I'm using non-toxic pencil. This is a really easy technique how you can transfer basically any design, not just the writing, not just the messages or words. You can transfer any design on a cookie this way. You can also use the tissue paper method. And you can see there's a clear outline, so I don't have to second guess myself. And now I'm using piping consistency yellow icing and PME 1.5 piping tip to pipe mom. Now, if you're struggling with piping letters, you can skip this step. You don't have to write mom. You could perhaps add a nice packaging, and you can add a top tag. You can design it, print it on a cardstock, and it could say Happy Mother's Day or something like that. Or you could use a handy stencil if you have a stencil for Mother's Day, and you could stencil this on there. Now this is an optional step. In hindsight, I think they look better without the gold, but I will leave this up to you. Let me know if you think they look nicer with the gold. I mixed gold luster dust. Actually this was like a pink gold, like a champagne gold luster dust with a little bit of Everclear, which is a grain alcohol. And we're gonna paint mom with this metallic edible paint. But like I said, in hindsight, I think they look better without the gold, but you can let me know in the comment section down below. What do you think? And here they are. Perfect for Mother's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.